I am Jodel Adan Amparado, 19 years of age, and this is my personal history. I was born in Niñisos, Iriga City, and this is my family. My father's name is Joel, and my mother's name Shoni Amparado. They are my siblings, Jonibel, Jillian, and Clark. This is me when I was in elementary. I studied Sagrada Elementary School from grade 1 to 5, but graduated from Sagrada Adventist Multigrade School. I finished high school at Sagrada National High School. I also completed my senior high in Sagrada Iriga City, which a strand of EIM, Electrical Installation and Maintenance. Now I'm currently studying at Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges, taking up Bachelor Science of Electrical Engineering. I love driving motorcycle. Vroom vroom. I also love playing basketball.
Okay,